What the heck? I thought there's not 100x even. Yeah, okay, so just one 100x. And for a second I thought that there is no 100x, but there is 100x. There's, yeah, 100x. So good luck. No, one shot, one chance. Well, good luck. Do remember that the symbol's not relevant to multiplies, and if you're not gonna lock in your pick, well, the game's gonna make a pick for you. Yeah. So right there it is. That is gonna be 21 people with a 100x. Yeah, there you go. For good luck, kiss kiss. X blue. Please, blue. Please, 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 please. Please, please. Oh, that's a 2x. Sound like